Hello dear students, welcome to Tejama YouTube channel. So in this session we are going to discuss about new concept, that is motion of charged particle in a circular loop. Okay, so you will learn this in the chapter that is magnetism also, that is moving charges and magnetism. And here the concept is the motion of charged particle in circular loop means we will just consider two charges. Consider the situation where the electron is rolling around the nucleus of an atom, that we can consider. So there we will learn different things. So if I consider there is a charge here, it may be positive or negative, of mass m and charge capital Q. It revolves around, or you can consider it is Q2 also. So around which there is another particle of opposite polarity revolving around it. Best example is an atom where electrons revolves around the nucleus. So this is the charge whose mass is m, charge is q1. Let's consider this radius is r. Okay. So when it moves in a circular path means what? It experiences a centripetal force. Okay, centripetal force. mv square by r is called centripetal force. So who is giving centripetal force for this? That is nothing but the Coulomb force. Coulomb force is given by, because plus minus attract each other, k q1 q2 divided by r square, k q1 q2 by r square, that is nothing but centripetal force. So if you cancel r and r here, you will get v square is equal to k q1 q2 divided by m. Sir, what is k? Simple, it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Every time instead of writing 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, for competitive exam we write it as k. If dielectric constant comes, you have to mention k here. This k is different, this k is different. V square is this, and if you want to substitute the value of k, you can substitute. So V is equal to square root of k q1 q2 by m r square root of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is q1 q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into m. This is the velocity. So how long it will take for the electron to revolve, or the charged particle q1 to revolve around this q2? That is called time period. Time period of revolution. So time period of revolution is given by total distance travelled by velocity, because velocity is equal to distance travelled by time taken, no? So time taken is equal to distance travelled by velocity. Total distance travelled is the circumference, that is 2 pi r, with velocity 2 pi r. What is velocity? Square root of q1 by q1 into q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. I will write in the numerator, 4 pi epsilon naught into m. Take this one this side, inside you will get 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, pi square into pi, pi cube, r square. Here also there should be one, just a minute, there should be one r, yes, so there should be one r. So r square into r cube, and then mass divided by q1 q2. Like this time period formula you will get. Okay, then what else we can calculate? What about the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy k is equal to half mv square. So if I substitute this one here, mm get cancelled, v square will be k q1 q2 divided by mm get cancelled 2r. What is k value? 1 by 4 pi epsilon. If you substitute 1 by 4 pi epsilon, 4 2 is 8. So q1 q2 divided by 4 2 is 8 pi epsilon naught into r. This is the expression for kinetic energy. Correct now? Yes. What about potential energy? Potential energy is given by minus q1 q2 divided by 4, half what is this, double this, pi epsilon naught into r, because see, do remember this general formula, that is total energy will be equal to half of potential energy, which is equal to minus kinetic energy. Total energy and kinetic energy are half of potential energy, so that's why I have written this. And potential energy is negative, total energy is also negative, kinetic energy is positive. So potential energy is negative, minus will come this side, minus will come this side. So total energy is how much? This one plus this one, 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4, will get minus 1 by 4 only. So minus 1 q1 q2 divided by 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4, 8 minus pi epsilon naught into r. This will be the total energy. And frequency is given by, if you want to calculate frequency, that is 1 by t, reciprocal of this. Okay, so that is equal to square root of q1 q2 divided by 16 pi cube r cube into m. And if you want to calculate angular frequency, you can do it. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. Substitute this one here, you will get the answer. Okay, like this you can derive so many formulae from this concept. Okay, so this is about this small concept, that is motion of charged particle in uniform electric field. Thank you.